Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute foldable market bag with sunflower pattern. I use 4 millimeters hook and start with brown yarn. Make a magic circle, insert your hook, pull up yarn, turn it and make chains. Chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over, stitch first round in this ring, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, go to magic circle, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, make double crochet stitches in first row. Continue, make double crochet stitches. Repeat like this for first round. Yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I make one more double crochet, 15 double crochet stitches. With first chains we have 16 stitches in here. Go to first stitch, pull up yarn, change color. I use orange yarn in here. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make 4 chains, fixed yarns. Go to this stitch, this space, pull up yarn, hold this yarn on your hook, yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn 3 times, yarn over, pull through all of them, close it, make a chain. Go to next stitch and repeat like this in this space. Yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn 3 times. Yarn over, pull through all of them, close it, make a chain. Go to next stitch, pull up yarn 3 times, pull through all of them, close it, make a chain. and continue like this. We make 16 of these stitches in this round. Put roll of them, close it, make a chain, go to next space. I made this row, go to last stitch, make one stitch in here, pull up yarn over, put roll of them, close it, make a chain, go to first chains, pull up yarn, take these yarns on your hook, change color. I use yellow color, yellow yarn in here, pull up yarn, make 4 chains, go to this space, first space, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, hold this yarn on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, hold this yarn on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together. Now we have 4 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull roll of them, make a chain, add 2 more chains in here, go to next space, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, hold this yarn on your hook, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through all of them, close it, add 2 chains, go to next space and repeat like this, make cluster stitches in this round, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, hold yarn on your hook, one more, pull through all of them, close it, 2 chains. I make this stitch, go to last stitch, repeat in this last stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 4 times, hold yarns on your hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, close it, make 2 chains, go to first chains, pull up yarn like this, change color. I use green yarn in this row, pull through 2 yarns together, fixed yarns. In here, same as before row, make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains in first stitch, add 2 more chains in here. I show 1, 2 chains, go to next space in here, skip 1 cluster stitch, go to this space, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet in this space, make a chain, go to next space, skip one cluster stitch and continue 4 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 1 chain in this row. I made this stitch, go to last stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, make a chain, go to first chains, a slip stitch. Start to crochet mesh part. Make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. Skip this stitch, go to this space, make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. Skip this stitch, make single crochet and continue like this for more rows. 10 chains, 1 single crochet, 10 chains, skip double crochet stitch, 1 single crochet. I show in last stitch in this row, make chains, go to first space, make 1 single crochet and chaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go to this chain, single crochet. Continue with 10 chains, 1 single crochet. I made these rows. I show. Continue with 10 chains, 1 single crochet. In here, start to chaining for make strap. Make chains. I made these chains, fold the mesh part like this, go to this stitch. I made 60 chains in here. Go to this stitch and join these stitches together with single crochet. Go to these chains. I made 60 chains in here like this. Pull up yarn, pull through, make single crochet stitch on these chains 65 times. We have 60 chains, 65 single crochet in here, and continue like this. Make single crochet stitches. Make single crochet stitch. I made 65 single crochet in here like this. Make chains, make a slip knot and chaining. Make 80 chains